Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can check the size of any file or any folder. So it's very simple. You just have to simply right click on that file, or in my case it's a folder. I will just right click on that, go to show more options, and then you can see the option here, properties. You just have to click on that. Then you can see option here, size. It's mentioned with the size, and you can see that its size is 804 bytes. So the folder size is 804 bytes. So that's how you can see the size of any file or any folder. It's very simple and very easy. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.